Hello students, in our today's e-lecture we are continuing with our chapter perimeter and area. In today's lecture we are going to discuss about the area of triangle. This is a triangle ABC and we have already discussed that area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. If BC is the base and AD is the height, then the area of this triangle is half into base, that is BC, into length AD. That will be the area of triangle. As we did yesterday, before, in our previous e-lecture, we did area of parallelogram is base into height. So area of the triangle is half of the area of the parallelogram with the same base and height. Now moving further to the question, the area of the triangle is given to us 90 centimeter square. If its base is 15 centimeter, find its altitude. Now area of triangle half into base into height. Altitude and height both are same. What is given to us? Area of triangle 90. Base is given to us 15 and we have to find this height. Now we'll take 2 to the LHS and 15 to get height or altitude. Both have the same meaning. If you are writing height or altitude, that doesn't matter. 15 6 are 90, 6 2s are 12 centimeter. The height of the triangle is 12 centimeter. Now the next question, find the area of a right angle triangle whose hypotenuse and one side is given to us. This is a right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 degree and we all know that the side opposite to this right angle is hypotenuse, that is given to us, and one of the side we are taking as base, 5 centimeter. Now area of the triangle half base into height. We need this height to find out the area, but what is given to us? We have given the base and the hypotenuse. As we all know, by the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This is Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse is given to us 13 square, base is given to us 5 square. We can find the length of this perpendicular, that is height. 169, 25 plus p square. 169 minus 25, that is 144, is equal to p square. 144 is the square of 12 p square. Therefore, we can equate that perpendicular is 12 centimeter. This perpendicular, that is the height of this triangle. Now, base and height both are known to us. So, we can find the area of the triangle. Half into base, base is 5 and the height we have taken out, that perpendicular is the height 12. 2 6 are 12, 5 6 are 30 centimeter square is the area of this right angle triangle. Because in this triangle, height is not given to us. By Pythagoras theorem, we have taken out the height and then we put the formula and the values in the formula and taken out the area of triangle. Now the next question, find the area of an isosceles right angle triangle. Now, what is an isosceles right angle triangle? This is a right angle triangle in which one angle is 90 degree and isosceles right angle triangle in which the base and the perpendicular, they are equal. The measurement of base and perpendicular are equal. That has given to us 15 centimeter and this is also 15 centimeter. We cannot take hypotenuse as the equal side in isosceles right angle triangle. Now both base and the height is given to us. So area of triangle is half into base into height. Base is also 15 as well as height is also 15 centimeter. 225 by 2, 112.5 centimeter square. This is the area of this isosceles right angle triangle. Now the next question. The base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. If the cost of cultivating the field at rupees 36 per hectare is rupees 486, find the base and height. what is given to us? The relation between the base and the height of a triangular field. This is a triangular field. Relation is given between the base and the height. Now we have to find this base and height, and we also find the cost of cultivating the field. If we want to cultivate, where we do the cultivation? We will do it at its area. To find the cost of cultivation, we need the area of this triangular field. Now the simple thing, okay, what relation is given between base and height? That base is 3 times, so let height of the triangular field. Let it be x. If height is x, then base will be the 3 times, that is 3x. And we know that the area of the field, that is a triangular in shape, we all know half into base into height. Half into base 3x into x, that is 3x square by 2. This is the area of this triangular field. The given cost which is given to us per hectare, we have to convert this area, that is in square meter, we have to find this in the hectare. And we all know that 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. This relation is given in this question. 1 hectare is equal to 10,000 meters square. To convert this area into hectare, we are going to divide it by 10,000. 2 into 10,000, that is 3x square by 20,000 hectare. Now we have taken out the area of this triangular field in hectare. Area is given to us. How we can find the cost? The cost is per hectare is given to us. So according to question, now if you are multiplying the area by the cost, you will get the total cost to be of this cultivation. Area is given 3x square by 20,000 into cost of 1 hectare, that is 36. That is equal to the total cost of the cultivation. What we did to find the cost of cultivation? We multiply the area by the cost of 1 meter, 1 square meter, that is given to us. Same we did it here. Area into cost is equal to the total cost. Now take out the variable on one side and constant on other side. 486, 20,000 being multiplication, and 36 and 3 go for division. Here x square is equal to, we are just going to cut it off, 3 3 9s are 3 6 are 18, 27, 1 10,000. After cutting it out, we get x square is equal to 90,000. 90,000 is the square of 300. So square se square get cancelled off, and the value of x is 300. Now x is what? The height we have taken out. The height is equal to 300 meter, and the base is 3x. 3 into 300, that is 900 meter. So we have taken out the base and the height of this triangular field. Now home assignment for today. Do question number 1 to 6, worksheet 4, chapter 11.